Hello everyone, let's discuss the Python program in order to find the non-repeating characters of a given string. So here you can see that first of all we are getting the input from the user in the variable called str. Okay, now for each character I in the str, what we are doing is we are first of all initializing the count as 0. Now we have to, we are using another for loop which is again j in the same variable string. Okay, so each character in string, each j in string. Okay, we are checking whether I is equal to j. That means I is already taken, and then we are checking with the next character onwards, right? So we are checking whether I is equal to, so that means the character is occurring more than once, right? So then count is incremented, and what we are checking is if count greater than 1, we are breaking. So breaking in the sense we are breaking from this inner for loop. Okay, now coming outside the outer for loop, we are checking whether count equal to 1. If the count equal to 1 means that character is occurring only once, right? Then we are printing that character. So here actually first character is compared with all the other characters. If it is matching, the count will be incremented. Otherwise, count will remain 1 itself. Now let's run this program. So enter a string. So let's enter the string as hello. So you know that L is occurring 2 times, and removing L because L is occurring more than once, right? We are getting the non-repeating characters, and that is HEO. So this was the Python program in order to find the non-repeating characters of a given string.